Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about a free online learning platform Kaggle. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. Kaggle is basically a subsidiary company of Google, which means Google owns this company. Kaggle offers a lot of different free courses for which you can also claim your free certificate after completing the courses. In addition to the courses, they also list out the jobs and internships related to what you'll be learning in their platform in and around the world. So you can just look into it. I'll show you everything. And they also conduct some competitions in which you can participate and you can also win some prizes and cash money. So let's first see the courses that are available for free in Kaggle. So you can click on courses here. You'll be landing on this page and you can see here the courses are free and you can now earn certificates. So the certificate is also free. So let's see the courses now. You have Python, Intro to Machine Learning, Intermediate Machine Learning, Data Visualization course, Pandas course, Feature Engineering, Deep Learning course, Intro to SQL, Advanced SQL course, Geospatial Analysis course, and you also have some challenges in which you can test your skill on machine learning, explainability, natural language processing, that is NLP, intro to game AI and reinforcement learning, data cleaning. So all these courses are available for free in Kaggle and you can also get a free certificate after completing the courses. And now let's see how to enroll in a course. So let me enroll in this one, Intro to Machine Learning. So just click on the course name in whichever you want to enroll. Now you can see all the lessons in this course. So for Intro to Machine Learning course, you have how models work, basic data exploration, your first machine learning model, model validation, underfitting and overfitting, random forest machine learning competitions, and they are also providing some bonus lessons. So this is available for this course. This will vary upon different courses. This is how the interface will be. Once you click on the course name, you can view all the lessons and you have to take some exercises after each lesson. And you can see the course progress here, and if you scroll down you can see the course instructor Dan Becker, data scientist. So all the instructors in Kaggle platform are either data scientist or a machine learning engineer or machine learning practitioner, so you don't need to worry about the content and the quality of learning. This is a very good platform. You can learn from the industry experts, and they have given also the prerequisite that is required for taking this course. So this is not mandatory, but if you have the Python language, it will be easy to take this Intro to Machine Learning course. So also look into the prerequisite skills, and this course will prepare you for learning deep learning, machine learning, intermediate machine learning. So now let's see how to enroll in this one. At the top right, you can see here sign in and register. If you already have a Kaggle account, you can use the sign in option and log into your account. And if you are coming here for the first time, you can just click on register. Now it's in sign in tab, just switch to the register one, and now you can register your account with Google or you can give your email and register your account. So let me create my account and catch up later. So that's it, the registration is complete. Now I have created a Kaggle account and logged into my account. So you can see your course progress as you start completing these things, that is the lessons. So there are a lot of different courses. You can just click on the courses tab and see what are the lessons available for free. Like everything is listed here. Can just look into it. So as I said, in addition to the courses, they are also listing out the jobs that are available around the world in this field. You can just click on jobs here. So here they have listed all the jobs around the world. They have given the location, and this is the company name here, vic.ai, cold capital Optiver. So see the roles, everything is related to what you will be learning. Data engineer, data scientist, big data operations engineer, data analyst, data scientist. So the location varies. There are a lot of locations: United States, India, China, Netherlands. So they have listed all the job opportunities and internships around the world in this particular field, that is data science and machine learning. So do the courses seriously, take the exercises, learn something from it and gain knowledge in that particular field. And in India, Shell is hiring. I'll show you that also. See here, senior software engineer in Bangalore, India, and AI resident, Bangalore, India again. So there are a lot of countries and a lot of job opportunities and internships in this field, data science and machine learning. So you can switch to the jobs tab and see what are the jobs and internships available. So One more thing is available in this site, that is the competitions. Go to the compete tab here, click on it, and you can see all the competitions that are available in this Kaggle platform. So you can see all the active competitions in Kaggle. So see here, OSIC pulmonary fibrosis progression, RSNA STR pulmonary embolism detection. So there are a lot of competitions that are active. You can also win a prize money for that. So if you want to know about detail of any particular competition, just click on the name and you will see all the details here. So you can see the description and evaluation and timeline. You can also see the prices. So for the first place, they are offering 30,000 US dollars for this particular competition, and they are also giving $15,000 for second place, and third place will have 10,000 US dollars for winning in this competition. So there are a lot of different competitions in Kaggle. You can make use of this opportunity to earn some money and also to learn something new. So this is the content for this video. Kaggle is offering free courses with certificates for Python, Intro to Machine Learning, Intermediate Machine Learning, Data Visualization, Pandas, Feature Engineering, Deep Learning, Intro to SQL, Advanced SQL, Geospatial Analysis, Machine Learning, Explainability, NLP, Intro to Game AI, and Data Cleaning. So all these courses are available for free, and you can also get a free certificate. You can also go to the jobs tab and see the jobs and internships in this particular field, that is data science and machine learning. And you can participate in the competitions. If you go to the compete tab, you'll see all the competitions in Kaggle. So I hope this one was useful to you all. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.